So now we are going to do the sleeve block. It is based off the bodice block because we need the armhole measurement. So you're first going to measure that, this whole arm side measurement, because that's where the sleeve is based off. Measure just as I'm doing right here, like that, and go all round. Okay. Remember, I was doing a size 12. So mine comes to 41.9. I'll just take 42 centimeters. So the measurement of my arm size is 42 centimeters. Okay. If you haven't drawn this line or traced it, just make sure it touches this line, this point right here. This armhole point. So like just draw a line straight from this point. Do the same for this side as well, if you had not drawn the lines from the previous block we did. So we'll start from this point. Okay, you can name it whatever, you can name it point 1 if you want, but we'll start from this point. Okay, once you get this measurement, take a third of it. So for me, 1/3 of 42 centimeters. 1/3 the arm side measurement minus 0.5 centimeters. Okay, yes, if you're a size 16 and above, minus 0.3 centimeters. Okay, yes, but if you're a size 14 and below, 0.5 centimeters. So a third of your arm side measurement minus 0.5 for sizes 12 and below, minus 0.3 for sizes 16 and above. So remove this, you don't need that. Okay, then get the middle point between this point and this point. So 13.5 divided by 2, 6.8. So once you do that, mark this as a balance point. Remember, we had the balance points as you were doing the bodice block. Okay, that's the balance point for the bodice block for the back. So remember, we did half of this whole line and we got this one. Okay, now do half of from this line. Okay, from here to here, half. Once you mark this line, mark this point and then square it out just a bit until it touches the arm side, this part. These two will be two different points. Okay, this one and also this one. Okay, the one that touches the straight line and the one that touches the armhole curve. So this is the front balance point. Okay, for the front bodice, the one that touches the armhole curve. This is the shoulder point for the front, and this is the shoulder point for the back. To get the armhole, measure from this balance point to this shoulder point for the front. Okay, measure that, and then we should first measure that plus 1 centimeter. Okay, I'm getting 13.4. 13.4, add 1, that is 14.4. Okay, so that 14.4, and measure it from this point to this line until you get 14.4. Okay, like we were doing with the shoulders in the bodice block. So start from 14.4 at this point, 14.4. Like that, so that it's 14.4. So let me just recap. We've taken this balance point, the front balance point, we've measured from here all the way till here. Okay, that measurement we've added 1 centimeter. Okay, so we have gotten 13.4 plus 1 centimeter, 14.4, okay? And then we've come here, we've measured 14.4 centimeters in a straight line to here, to this line we had squared out, 14.4, okay? Then draw the line. Okay, this will also be a balance point for the middle of the sleeve. Once you get this point, now square down, it's going to be the middle of the sleeve. So as I said, we added 1 centimeter after we measured that. If you're a size 16 to a size 20, add 1.25 centimeters. If you're a size 22 to 26, 1.5 centimeters. I will put all those things in the description, okay? Measure the curve from it. Remember this point we squared out. So from this point, the balance point, to the back shoulder point. Measure that. And then add 1 centimeter if you're a size 12 and below. Mine is 10.9. 10.9 plus 1 centimeter, 11.9, okay? So from here, let's square this out a bit more. 11.9. So from here, measure out 11.9 until it meets this line. So 11.9. So let me explain that again. This point, this back balance point, measure the armhole all the way to this back shoulder point. To that measurement, add 1 centimeter, and then that one you get what you get, and then measure that out till it meets this line, okay? Depending on your size, you can check in the description. You will add or minus a bit more. And then let's mark this is the underarm point. Underarm. So the next point, let's come back here to the front balance point. Measure from this front balance point all the way along the armhole to this center point, to this underarm point. I'm getting 7 centimeters, okay? To that, minus 0.3. I got 6.7. Now go to the point, go to this next point, okay? So 6.3 from not the balance point, but this other line, this straight line. So 6.7 to this line now, to this bust line. So measure that, 6.7. 6.5, 6, 7. 6.7 is around that point. And then mark the point and join it to this point like that. And then now come to the back point, this other side. Measure from this back balance point to the underarm point, okay? Just like we did here. Now measure from this side, this balance point, following the armhole all the way to the underarm point. And the answer you get, the measurement you get, minus 0.3, just like we did before. I get 10.4 minus 0.3, I get 10.1. So measure from here to 10.1 to meet this line. From this point, square down, and from this point, square down also. So let's start here drawing the curve, okay, from here to here. Find the middle first. So mine is 5, it's 10 centimeters, 5, and then go in 0.75 centimeters. 5, 6, somewhere there. Once you get that, draw a curve, touching this point like that, and like that. Let's come to this point, go up 1 centimeter. Find the middle again, 12, 6, then go up 1 centimeter like that, and then draw out the curve. Then from this point, from here to here, so this time you'll not find half, you'll find 1/3 of this distance. So first measure, so again this distance divided by 3, 1/3 of this distance from here to here, and then go out 2 centimeters this time, okay, and then join with a curve. Measure from here to here, the balance point to this point. From this point to this point, halfway, and then hollow it 1 centimeter. So here we hollow, here we raise up, here we raise up, here we hollow again. The sleeve is now done. Now when you trace it out, you just trace out these curves like that and this part, and that's the sleeve. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned. I hope it was not too confusing. And if you have any questions, do ask in the comments.